guys, welcome to my vlog again and another day, another friends. So, mayroon po tayong guest, 7 packs from Karamuan Travelcation. Ma'am and sir, can you please say hi to my vlog?
Hello!
Yes. Ma'am, kumusta po yung island hopping dito sa Karamuan?
I'm very happy.
Yes. May recommend po ba, ma'am?
Yes!
Yes. Sir, how about you, sir? Kumusta po yung island hopping mo?
All good, all good.
Yes, thank you, sir, thank you. So, ma'am, bali, ito na po yung last island natin dito. Bali, ako po uli, ang inyong tour guide, si Paylamos, pag nasa island.
Okay.
Ako po si David, pag nasa mainland. Okay, ma'am and sir, thank you so much and nice to meet you. And sana bumalik po kayo sa Karamuan. Diba, sir? Okay, next year. Next year, guys. And yung gusto magkaramuan, what are you waiting for? Alika na. Sige ma'am, kung gusto mo mag-shoutout, sige.
Shout out sa aking mga kaibigan, pati na aking pamilya,
Yes.
pati na sa aking anak na taga-Karamuan.
Yes. Ano ma'am? Yayain mo na magkaramuan, ma'am.
Hoy, halina kayo at magkaramuan tayo ulit! Tara na guys!
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Ma'am, thank you very much.
Hello!
Okay.
Alam po din si Paylamon.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.